In this video, we will show you 2 ways to end your Amazon Prime membership. For the first method, go to Amazon's website and log in to your account. Then, go to Account and Lists in the upper right corner of the screen. Click Memberships and Subscriptions. On the next page, you will see all of your active Amazon subscriptions. Click Prime Membership Settings to the right of the Prime membership. Select Manage Membership, then select End Membership. Another way to cancel your membership is to select Account and List. Instead of selecting Memberships and Subscriptions, choose Prime Membership. In the next page, select Manage Membership, then select End Membership. On the next page, select Cancel My Benefits. On the next page, Amazon will ask you to reconsider. Select Continue to Cancel to end your membership.